To set a stop loss in Interactive Brokers, start by logging into your account and navigating to the trading platform. Once you are logged in, select the specific asset you want to trade, such as a stock, option, or futures contract. Next, enter a buy or sell order for the selected asset, but do not submit the order yet. Instead, click on the Advanced Order Settings, which is usually represented by a gear icon or an Advanced Order button. In the Advanced Order Settings, look for the Stop Loss section and select the stop loss type, which can be a fixed price or a percentage of the current price. If you choose a fixed price, enter the specific price at which you want to stop the loss. If you choose a percentage, enter the percentage amount, and the platform will automatically calculate the stop loss price. For example, if you buy 100 shares of stock at $50 per share, you can set a stop loss at $45 per share, which means if the stock price falls to $45, the platform will automatically sell your shares to limit your loss. After setting the stop loss price, you can also set a stop loss limit, which determines the price at which the stop loss order will be executed. This is usually set at a slightly worse price than the stop loss price to ensure the order is filled. Once you have set the stop loss and stop loss limit, submit the order, and the platform will monitor the asset price and automatically execute the stop loss order if the price falls to the specified level. It is essential to note that stop loss orders are not guaranteed and may not be executed at the exact price specified, especially in volatile markets. However, they can help limit potential losses and protect your investments. Best practices for setting stop loss orders include regularly reviewing and adjusting the stop loss price, using a stop loss as part of an overall risk management strategy, and considering the trading costs and fees associated with stop loss orders. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use stop loss orders in Interactive Brokers to manage risk and protect your investments.